Hi guys, this book is called Under the Sea by Fiona Patchett. Living underwater. Many amazing creatures live under the sea. Some seas are warm and some are cold. They can be deep, but some are shallow. These bright fish live in shallow seas. Dolphins live in warm and cold seas. They have smooth bodies which help them to swim very fast. Dolphins breathe through a hole on the top of their head. It is called a blowhole. A dolphin swims to the surface. It breathes out air. Water sprays up. It breathes in and dives underwater. If a dolphin is sick, other dolphins take care of it. A mother dolphin with two babies. A mother dolphin shows her baby how to breathe. She teaches it how to look for food. Sharks. Sharks have many rows of sharp teeth. They usually eat fish, squid, or seals. This is a great white shark. It is the most dangerous kind of shark. How many rows of teeth can you see? This is a whale shark. A whale shark is the largest fish in the sea. The fastest kind of shark is the mako shark. This hammerhead shark has an eye at each end of its wide head. Some whale sharks are longer than a bus. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have no bones and no brains. They look like blobs floating in the sea. Some have tentacles that can sting. This jellyfish has curly arms that hang down. It also has thin tentacles. If fish swims into the tentacles sting the fish many times. The arms push the fish into its mouth. These are called upside-down jellyfish. They don't have long tentacles. We have plenty of those in the Keys. Some jellyfish have tentacles as long as a soccer field. Flatfish. Some fish are flat. Some of them can change the shade of their skin to hide from other fish. A place lies on a muddy seabed. It looks like the mud. It swims over sand. Its skin changes to look like the sand. Most flatfish have both eyes on top of their head. on top of their body, like this peacock flounder. Rays have flat bodies. They swim by moving their huge fins up and down like wings. Torpedo rays give fish an electric shock. Then they eat them. Octopuses. Some sea creatures, such as eels, like to eat octopuses. When an octopus is scared, it hides in a cloud of dark ink. So there's an eel, and there's the octopus. The eel is waiting to attack the octopus. The octopus sprays a cloud of ink at the eel. The octopus moves away very fast. An octopus has 8 strong arms. It has lots of suckers on its arms. An octopus uses its suckers to grab food to eat. Sea turtles. Sea turtles live in warm seas. They lay their eggs on the land. They have a soft body which is protected by a hard shell. This green sea turtle uses its flippers to swim through the water. Sea turtles weigh about the same as adult human beings. A lot. A sea turtle finds the beach where she was born to lay her own eggs. She lays her eggs in a hole. She covers the eggs with sand. She goes back to the sea. Baby turtles hatch out of the eggs. They find their way to the sea. This sea turtle is hatching from its egg. Dragons and horses. Dragons and horses live under the sea. They are seahorses and sea dragons. This is a leafy sea dragon. Parts of his body are long and green. Sea dragons can hide easily because they look like seaweed. Seahorses are kind of fish. They swim upright. They suck tiny animals through their mouths. If a seahorse wants to stay in one place, it curls its tail around a sea plant. Fast fish. Some fish can move very fast through the sea. They can even leap into the air. These are flying fish. They can glide over the water for 45 seconds. A flying fish uses its tail to swim faster. It wiggles its tail, it leaps into the air. It opens its fins and glides along. This is a sailfish. It has a spike above its mouth. It is called a bill. It uses its bill to attack fish to eat. Sailfish are the fastest fish in the sea. They can jump high out of water. Sailfish have a huge fin on their back. It looks like the sail of a boat. Watch out! Fish use clever tricks to scare other fish. Lionfish have long, poisonous spines. They flick them forward to scare other fish. This is a lionfish right here. We have a lot of those in the Keys. A shark has spotted a porcupine fish. The porcupine fish swells up like a balloon. It is too hard to eat. The shark swims away. Some fish swim in a group called a school. Other fish may think this school is one big fish. It's a good trick. Penguins. Penguins dive into the sea to catch their food. They eat fish, squid, and tiny sea animals. These are rockhopper penguins. They dive from rocks or ice. They leap out of the sea. They take a gulp of air and dive again. Penguins swim very fast to catch their food. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. There are 17 kinds of penguins. Diving whales. Whales are the biggest animals in the sea. Sperm whales dive deep down to find food. They swim to the surface to breathe. This is a sperm whale. It can hold its breath for over an hour when it dives. As a whale dives, it throws its tail up. This helps the whale dive deeper. Sperm whales eat squid. Some giant squid are as long as a whale. Humpback whales swim near the surface of the water. They make noises that sound like songs. Nobody knows why. Oh, these are spooky. Near the bottom. It is very dark and cold near the bottom of the sea. Strange fish live there. Lots of them have big mouths and sharp teeth. Viper fish have very long teeth. Look at those. Anglerfish have a light above their mouth. They eat fish that swim near. If you've ever watched Finding Nemo, this fish is in Finding Nemo. Patchett fish have big eyes on top of their head. And gulper eels have a huge mouth. There isn't much to eat deep in the sea. Fish wait for dead sea animals to sink from above. Divers. Divers wear special clothes so they can swim under the water. These are the fins. This tank contains air. It helps the diver breathe underwater. Divers wear fins to help them swim. Under the water, divers use their hands to tell other divers things. This sign means okay. This means stop or wait. And this means I'm going up. Some divers explore the wrecks of ships. They may see old things such as pots. Some divers look at the plants and fish which live in the sea. There are many shipwrecks under the sea which have never been found. In Key West, off of Key West and off the Keys, we have plenty of shipwrecks. Very interesting. Okay, this is Under the Sea. Hope you enjoyed it.